Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all of Marvel Cinematic Universe unboxing in Steelbook. And this time I'm going to be doing the complete first season of the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. And this is one of the three Blu-ray stuff that I got recently at Walmart. We got the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Bucky Barnes on the front of the case with his Jane Walker, his Captain America, right on the front. And this also comes with some bonus stuff and concept art cards. And here's the back of the case. And right there shows what it looks like on the inside, which I'll get into. And once I open the case, and we got some bonus features here. It's saying never before seen bonus extras. And got all the episodes on two different Blu-ray discs. Here on the Blu-ray case. And now let's use the scissors to cut open the plastic. Then open the Steelbook case to show off the Blu-ray stuff. And here's what I said on the back without any of all the stuff on it. And now the plastic is off, and let's open this up. We got disc 1 and 2. It's got the first 3 episodes on the first disc, and the other one's on the second one. And here's one of the concept art stuff. I might do a video showing every single concept art cards from each Steelbook that I got from Loki all the way up to Moon Knight. And then that's about it for today's Steelbook unboxing. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when new videos are uploaded to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.